I'm going to talk about river crossings, their various types, and their great importance in the olden days in this video, which has been sponsored very kindly by the Great Courses Plus, but I'll get to that in a bit. Now, the first point I want to make is that in the minds of the people of the past, and when I say people of the past, I'm really talking about all sorts of people in the olden days, all around the world until the modern world. But I suppose, yes, I will be taking most of my examples from Britain and particularly the medieval period. But anyway, what I'm about to say really does apply much more widely than that narrow field of example. In the mind of the people of the past, river crossings were enormously more important. They would have been far more aware, far more conscious of where all the various river crossings in their area were. Now, I've talked in a previous video about how rivers were enormously more important as highways for moving things along up and down them in boats than they are today. But you just imagine, if you are conscious of where the rivers are, you're going to be conscious of where the river crossings are, because those enormously affect how you can move about your world on land. If you want to get a wagon from here to there and there's a river in the way, that's a big problem if the nearest bridge is a few miles that way. And this puts me in mind the scene in The Fellowship of the Ring, one of the Lord of the Rings trilogy, in which the hobbits